It's become the center of Democratic attacks against him. The idea, the speculation, billionaire Donald Trump pays no federal income tax. Not only is that possibly true, says real estate tax attorney Richard Lipton, in the big world of big league real estate, it's perfectly legal and almost expected.
Most real estate investors pay very little, if any, tax, provided that they are active real estate investors.
That's right. Active real estate investors can pay little to absolutely no taxes. And in Sunday night's debate, Donald Trump made no apologies about it.
See, I understand the tax code better than anybody that's ever run for president.
Can you say how many years you have avoided paying personal federal income taxes?
No, but I pay tax, and I pay federal tax, too. But I have a write-off. A lot of it's depreciation, which is a wonderful charge. I love depreciation. You know, she's given it to us.
It is literally a gift from Congress. The IRS rules that allow businesses to write off depreciation on just about everything, even if it's a building and even if the value of the building is increasing. Here's how. Think of a huge group of companies. That's what Trump has and what he listed on his financial disclosures. Some may make big profits, some may have big losses, and some, like his real estate holdings, can have both at the very same time. Take, for example, 40 Wall Street, one of Trump's biggest properties. It could be making a huge amount of money on rent, but he could end up not owing income tax on it because of tax breaks like depreciation. Example, you can write off wear and tear on cabinets, elevators, even the building itself, even though the building's market value is going up. If Trump can add up enough on-paper losses year by year, he can basically erase his taxable income from the property itself and even income from other Trump operations, like licensing, leasing, and TV reality shows. Real estate expert Richard Lipton says it wouldn't be surprising if all these paper losses reduced Donald Trump's federal income tax to zero.
So if you're running a TV show, call it The Apprentice, and you have real estate and it's generating losses, the tax losses from the real estate can be used to offset the income from your TV show.
And the losses can be huge, even when your income is huge. Thus, in 1995, Donald Trump files a tax return with a $916 million loss, but still apparently lives like a king. Don't blame Trump, says tax analyst and journalist Lee Shepard. Blame the politicians who wrote the rules to benefit big developers.
That's why we say that commercial real estate is self-sheltering. That's why we look at a guy like Donald Trump and we say, is he at zero? And it's like, yeah, he's at zero.
Drew, so we know he had this huge write-off in 1995, and that could have prevented him from paying any income tax or personal federal income tax for many, many years. It sounds like it's feasible he could still not be paying federal income tax.
Yes, and that's what could be preventing Donald Trump from releasing these tax records, not that audit he talks about. You see, Anderson, there could be a huge flow of income coming through the front door of Trump's organization, but because of all those tax advantages and write-downs and depreciation he talks about, the end result could be zero in terms of his federal tax liability. These experts say nothing illegal about it. In fact, nothing particularly special about what Trump may be doing here. It is just the current tax law.